I'm looking for it, Luke. Hold on. Yeah, I did.
what I... Look.
You're not gonna put that like that.
Then you got... I don't know, it was already burning. Why did you switch?
You know, it was dying. It was dying. That's why I moved it.
Well, that was quick. Did you fed it more sticks?
You block it? Oh.
No, it's alright. We need those over here, and then the hand.
No. No.
That's what you need here?
I'm gonna make my own in a minute. I'm just trying to get you to get your camera shot.
Another layer of cream cheese.
And yeah, I will.
That's done, isn't it? Basically.
Yeah. Here's only at one.
So we don't have time to do much. Need it closer. Very good.
Camera Swiss. On sourdough. Ooh, next time I'm gonna bring my own sourdough English muffins.
You need to make some. Yeah. Oh, good. Chili. 39 degrees, almost winter camping.
Mischievous.
I should have got that on camera. All right, you guys, this is just a quick one-nighter as we're traveling. Brown County State Park in southern Indiana, real popular, huge park, really nice.
Over 400 sites.
Yeah, at least. I think there's horse camping too. The beginning, I think it's called Buffalo Ridge section, is kind of wide open and by a lot of people, but the more you go back in here, there's more wooded sites.
There's several different areas you're gonna see. I don't remember the name of each one. I think there's one that's like dogwood. I forgot the name of ours.
We might be in something like Taylor Ridge.
Yeah.
I'll put it on the. So we were in the Taylor Ridge section of Brown County State Park. Really cool site. 238. Wasn't too bad. A little muddy.
There's several different areas you can go into that have, I would probably say, between 50 sites for each one. Just depends. But
no, some had up to 100.
But some have pit toilets, very nice. Some have full bathrooms.
Regular, yeah. There's it's pretty woody further back you go, and more primitive feeling. There's electric and non-electric. So if you want that, yes. Definitely some secluded ones. There are some that are kind of off angle. The leveling is not great because we are up on like a mountain. So. But
I mean, there's some you can go into
cool lookout tower that is in the beginning. Lots of trails. There's a ton of stuff to do around here.
Yeah.
We're not really doing this justice by doing this video, but it's more
definitely
just
a place that we will stop again to check out because we always wanted to come here. So we just with driving through, it's a beautiful area. Lots of different areas you can stay at, things you can do. So with the overnighter, just kind of gave us like quick little glimpse.
Yeah, we were trying to get
us to come back.
We'd love to get our Ohio friends over here because. Be fun. You could have a big group here. There's a ton of wineries and distilleries right nearby, so it's a great area.
A bourbon candy shop. I saw that.
I think that was more back towards Louisville, but there is a bunch of wineries and distilleries. It's just a beautiful area. There's lots of really nice overlooks. This is actually the place to come in the fall because the fall colors are amazing out here. So we may do that. And we'll bring you back for a full weekend and try to do more justice to it. But we hope you guys had fun. We are heading back home. Jay and our adventures was great. I'll probably put this video ahead of that one because it's just a quicker video to get out and it's late in the week.
Quick breakfast, deluxe coffee.
Yeah, we got in kind of.
It was late.
We weren't hungry.
Tired.
It wasn't really, but we weren't hungry, so we just kind of set up camp and relaxed, did the fire, and then just went to bed. We will be in Iowa next time you see us, and then MOORE Expo is right around the corner. Do us a favor, help us out. Please. Donate to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children on our behalf. I'll have the link is always in the description. We're trying to help raise money.
Good cause, very good cause.
And we will see you soon.
And hopefully we'll see you there at MOORE, and it's never goodbye. We'll
see you soon, guys.